5 years on from the CZU fire gutting Big Basin, the picture of its recovery is starting to come into view. Ata Shaheen keeps us been tracking along from the way on this one. The plan presented to the public today. Ata, where do things stand?
Well, Max, really nothing stands. Practically the entire infrastructure was destroyed in 2020, but they were able to reopen to the public in 2022. And now they're looking at how to build hundreds of structures back up, as well as utilities, transportation, and more.
Many periods of California history since it was first established in 1902.
State Parks says the project really focuses on efficient and high-functioning buildings with fire resiliency. And even before buildings go up, they're working on defensive forestry techniques.
Our volunteers who are making visible piles within the old growth loop at Big Basin. These are piles that will be burned in the winter. It's a really tangible aspect of fire ecology and how the public can see how fuels build up, how we can treat them, how we can keep low intensity fire within the old growth.
They're also planning to partner with tribal communities for both cultural use and stewardship of the land. Many at Thursday's public webinar were worried about recreating the same camping experience from before.
The main focus of our push here with the redesign was to accommodate at least as much overnight capacity as we lost.
Others were concerned about protecting local species. The CZU fire devastated habitats, and multiple people at Thursday's meeting wanted assurance that new developments wouldn't fragment whatever's left of things like bird nesting areas. That's a consideration that could be part of the environmental impact report that the state has to approve. 2027 is the 125th anniversary of Big Basin, but it might be a bit ambitious to have things up and running for that milestone.
We all would wish that this whole process could go more quickly. It's an extremely complex process. Rebuilding a park like this is similar to planning and rebuilding a small municipality.
The State Parks hopes to have a good chunk of road removal and trail recovery done by January. And then in March, PG&E expects to be done undergrounding all the electrical utilities back into the park. And before they break ground on anything substantial, they still need to have plans approved by state commissions, which should happen sometime next year, but it's not exactly clear when. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Ata.